In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add widgets in accessibility mode in WordPress. If you find the drag and drop interface a bit difficult when you're adding widgets on your website, then you can use the accessibility mode instead. To enable the accessibility mode, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. Then on the top right corner of your screen, you have the option to enable accessibility mode. Click on it to enable it. So activating the accessibility mode will reload the widget screen with a new interface. And this new interface allows you to add widgets using the add link next to the widget title. So just as an example, I'll add the text widget to the sidebar. When I press the add link, it'll open the widget in a single page where I can configure widget settings. You can add the title here, then add the description here. Now there's the option to select which sidebar I want this to be displayed in and what position. So if I select one here, then this widget will be displayed at the top of the sidebar. Then click on Save Widget, and you can see the widget was added here. If you want to edit a widget which was already on your sidebar, then just click on Edit beside the widget and make the edits. Now let's go to the website to see if the widget was added properly. And as you can see, the widget was added properly here. This is how you can add widgets in accessibility mode in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.